How to record screen in Windows 11 using Snipping Tool.
First, open Snipping Tool. Select Recorder button and then click New button.
Select which area to record your screen. You can adjust your recording area. You can record your voice using a microphone. After selecting your settings, click Start button. It starts recording your screen. You can pause or discard your recording. After recording your screen, click the Stop button. This is my recorded video. To save your video, click the Save button. You can share this video anywhere. Okay, now I'm trying to record my full screen. This is my full screen video. I think the video quality is enough for me. What's your opinion? You can change some screen recording settings. Okay, that's it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching.